Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Hariya Global School. I am Kajal Udesh here. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Here, I am your English teacher and today I am going to teach you Unit 1 poem First Day at School in English. Children, I think all of you are having your English textbook. So, first pick out your English Marigold textbook. Now in this, open page number 1, Unit 1. I think all of you are ready now. This is the poem about a child. Here the child is talking about his feelings. He is sharing his feelings. It is his first day at school, and while going to school, he is thinking about so many things. He is thinking about his classmates, he is thinking about his teacher, and also he is thinking about his puppy. So yeah, let's begin the poem. Children, keep your finger on the first line of the poem and let's read it. Now let's start. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. यार बच्चा है. Child is thinking that my drawing will be as good as theirs. Theirs means his classmates. बच्चा सोचता है कि मेरी drawing भी मेरे classmate जो मेरे friends हैं, मेरे classmates हैं, उनकी तरह अच्छी होगी. Next paragraph. I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. Here the child is thinking that when I will enter in my classroom, all my classmates will like me. जब मैं क्लास में जाऊँगा, मेरे सारे classmates मुझे पसंद करेंगे और they will be full of stares या फिर जब मुझे सिर्फ घूरते रहेंगे. Third paragraph. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or grand. Here the child is thinking that when I will enter in my class teacher या any other subject teacher, how will she look? Will she look like my mom? मेरी मम्मी की तरह दिखेंगे या तो फिर मेरी दादी की तरह. Last paragraph. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Here the child is thinking that I will be at school, I will be studying in class, but my puppy will be at home. बच्चा पपी को तो स्कूल में लेके नहीं आ सकता है, so उसका पेट है पपी, वो घर में रहेगा, तो उसका पपी भी उसको मिस करता होगा and वो भी सोचता होगा कि मैं कहाँ पर चला गया. Hope you understood the poem. Now let's learn new words. First, number 1, wonder. Second, drawing. Number 3, stairs. Number 4, grand. Number 5, puppy. Now here, children, the same thing I have given you in worksheet. Now next, what you all have to do is, you have to buy one 200 pages 4-line notebook. आपको एक 200 पेजेस की 4 लाइन की जो नोटबुक्स आती हैं वो आपको प्रिपेयर करनी है फॉर इंग्लिश क्लास ऑफ नोटबुक. इन दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल गिव दिस हेडिंग. क्लास ऑफ नोटबुक में आप पहले ये लिखोगे यूनिट 1 पोएम. आफ्टर दैट यू विल गिव दिस हेडिंग फर्स्ट डे एट स्कूल. आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू राइट दिस पोएम. The poem which is given to you in this textbook, same thing you have to copy it down in your class of copy. ये जो poem है, ये same आपको आपकी class of copy में लिखना है. सबसे पहले you will give this heading. ये heading लिखोगे Unit 1 poem. After that you will write this name of the poem, first day at school. Poem का name लिखोगे आप and after that you will write down the poem. After writing poem लिखने के बाद you will start with new words. अब ये जो new words है ये आप अपनी क्लास ऑफ कॉपी में write written वर्क में लिखोगे आप विथ नीट एंड क्लीन हैंड राइटिंग. आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू राइट मीनिंग्स एंड मेक सेंटेंसेस. The same thing I have given you in lockdown worksheet. So here, this is your homework. What I told you before, जो मैंने आपको पहले बोला, वही मैंने होमवर्क में लिखा है. You have to write Unit 1 poem in your English classroom copy and also other textual exercise. Textual exercise यानी filling the blanks, true or false, question answers, जो सब मैंने आपको लॉकडाउन वर्कशीट्स में दिया है, सेम आपको क्लासरूम कॉपी में नीट एंड क्लीन हैंडराइटिंग में लिखना है. Hope you all understood the poem. We will continue with next poem. Till thank you.